Reason number 2 why BMW went for an inline-6 and produced the same power as an inline-4. You've probably heard that adding cylinders make an engine more elastic. And that is true. But what does elastic actually mean? The index of engine elasticity basically refers to the amplitude of the RPM window between peak torque and peak power. The larger this interval, the more elastic the engine. But why is this interval so important? Well, because it drastically changes the way you drive your vehicle. Look at the shape of the torque curve in the Astra. Inside the elastic RPM window, torque is monotonically decreasing. Imagine you're cruising exactly here. Now, what happens if the RPM drop? For example, if you lift off, or if the road ahead is getting steeper? Well, you now have more torque available to easily get back to speed. Now, imagine cruising outside of the highlighted RPM window. If for some reason RPM drop, you now have less torque to your disposal, and it might be necessary to drop a gear down to get back to speed. Now look at the curve of the BMW. The 2 extra cylinders of the inline-6 help moving peak torque to lower RPM and to flatten the curve, resulting into a more elastic engine. The BMW will gain momentum easier without the need of dropping a gear. Does this mean that the BMW can accelerate faster?